everyone, it's great to see you. This morning I am outside with this adorable little plant, and this is one of those plants that's just so cute you can't pass up as you walk by it in the nursery, which is what happened to me. It was labeled as a ruby fern. So when I got home, I started looking at ruby ferns. It had been sold as part of the houseplant collection. And as I started to research it, I came to realize it's not really a fern. It looks like it's a fern, but it is a ruby red spike moss. And spike moss is frequently grown as an indoor plant, but surprisingly, it is very hardy for outdoor use too. So the ruby red spike moss is one of the lesser known, more unusual varieties of spike moss, and it's called ruby because on top you have sort of this olive to, I don't know, maybe a little rusty color green, and then when you flip the fronds over, they're this beautiful red color, which I just love. So if you're a houseplant person, you might be keeping this as a houseplant, but it is hardy down to zone 6. So we should be fine planting this outside. A full-grown plant of the ruby red spike moss gets to be about 2 to 3 inches tall, so not much taller than this, and about a 6 to 8 inch clump. And it can spread sort of as a very slow-growing ground cover. So I figured I would put this over in my new shade garden. It does like at least part shade, and see how it does. And I'll let you know come spring if it really does make it through the winter or not. But I just think this is so adorable and so unique. I love sort of this whimsical, fairy-like, feathery, I just want to keep patting it, look to it. So I'm going to get this tucked into the ground. So I'm going to put it right back here. We had added this nice soft dirt, and it should be just fine. I'm not even going to have to use a trowel to dig it in. It doesn't even have that deeper root. Look at that. Oh, that is so cute. So zone 6 to 10, this is going to be fine outside. It does like that moderate to part shade here and sort of a moderate moisture level. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.